It's been great, bro. You guys have been super responsive, very flexible. We needed more help in the shop, and you guys have helped me do that. Fixing our online presence, you guys were able to just like unify all that and get everything, aligned. Obviously, the thing that stands out the most is, how many calls we're getting now, as opposed to what we were getting. Every time I get that call and it's like, call from your Google business listing, I'm like, okay, there you go, Shoprev again, right? The calendar feature is really cool. Just being able to plug in an appointment and then having automatic reminders sent out. I feel like that's really good for customer retention and making sure that, they're on point in terms of like making their appointment. Another thing that I really liked was all the reviews, bro. Can't forget about the reviews. Strategy you guys had to blast the reviews and send out text messages to all the customers we had in our database. Every single review we've gotten, that 80 to 90 reviews, they've all been 5 stars. That's been clutch. The best thing to do, right, is to reach out to Shoprev first, because they'll get everything straightened out. After that, just make sure that you have a website set up. So we had a really strong presence on Yelp and the reviews we had on there. But on Google, we were kind of slim on that side of things. Obviously, Google is a main driver of your business, so you're going to want to make sure that you're ranking high in Google, which is another thing you guys helped me do. I remember when we initially started, our ranking on Google wasn't very high. Whatever you guys do on your back end, our ranking is a lot higher and we're more easily accessible and people are able to find us. So this has been a great driver of business for us. I want to just, keep pushing forward. Auto repair industry is constantly changing, so I'm sure campaigns over time will change, and you guys will be there for me. I know you guys will whenever that time comes. But yeah, no, I want to definitely, keep this going and, keep driving the business in. No, Carlos, I wouldn't. Come on, of course I would, dude. Of course I would, bro. Yeah, 10 out of 10. If I give you more, I would.